guys, so I'm back here with a full review for you. I have worn the unit a few times. Here she is. Like I mentioned before, she is the Sensationnel Instant Pony, sensational style in 60 seconds. The style is HZP045, 100% premium fiber, larger cap, more hair. Getting into that. So here's what she looks like. And to be clear, I have worn her 3 times now, I think. 2 or 3 times. And honestly, I'm very, very satisfied with the way things have turned out thus far. Because one of the good things about synthetic hair is it just keeps on getting bigger and bigger and frizzier, which kind of actually I think looks a little bit more realistic. So honestly, even my IG friends were like, oh my gosh, your hair has grown so much. And I'm like, got you. You know, they couldn't even tell it was my fake hair. So this thing is really nice. You can see it's very full. I could even put it on my bun right now. It's got a really big bun opening area. The drawstring itself too is really large. Let's see if we can do it. No, my bun's actually too big for this. This is like it's like a level 3 bun. And you know, you guys, I am so sorry that I'm not sorry, but I look like this because I sprained my ankle and I'm in a world of pain. Like, I can't even deal. I don't know how people who like break their foot or break their leg do it, because I am sad, I am depressed, I can't move. Like, to be up here filming is a miracle. So thank you, Jesus, because I just needed to do something. But yeah, this unit, back to the unit. This unit is so pretty. Like, she's so gorgeous. I bought it at my beauty supply store. I'm going to do my best to link it. I haven't found the exact one, but now that I have my little style card, I can go look up the exact one. I didn't find it on Amazon. So this thing is really nice. Like, I would recommend it if you have curly hair, or if you don't have curly hair. I think if you don't have curly hair, it might be a little bit weird if you have straight hair rocking this. But if you do have like curly hair or natural hair, some sort of pattern to your hair, you could probably pull this off. It's so pretty, and you know, it is getting a little bit tangled. That's the thing about synthetic. You can see here it's starting to get a little tangled. But you know, the instructions said if you want to maintain it, you can put it in some lukewarm water, put some mild shampoo on it, and then rinse it with cool water, shake it out dry. It says do not brush it while it's wet, but obviously. So you just wash it and let it dry, and then I think you can try to brush or comb it out. I've also heard of some people doing, like, I want to say fabric softener or leave-in conditioner. I don't know. I have to do some more like YouTube research before I actually wash this thing, but I love this thing so much. It was $16.99, so 17 bucks. Once this thing is dead, and I mean, like, I can't comb through it, it looks ratty, I will be buying another one. Like, they got me for life. This thing really is amazing. I really love it, and I just like how I'm a lazy girl. If you watch my videos, you know they're usually pretty easy styles. They're usually not super complicated. And it's just because I don't have time. I'm a busy mom, and I just don't have time or the patience to just be doing my hair for 4 hours, or 2 hours even is a lot. So anything where I can just, if I'm going from one place to another, if I could just like put my hair into a smaller bun, throw this on, and like, look. She looks just like my hair. I haven't done a high ponytail yet, but like, even now, she looks just like my hair. My mom even said, we went out to dinner, and she was like, Simone, your hair. And I said, yeah. And she was like, oh, it's not your hair. Because my mom and my sister both have really short hair, so they don't wear wigs and, you know, hair pieces and all that stuff. They don't do any of that. So if they can't detect it, I'm like, I got you. But yeah, so you guys let me know, have you tried any drawstring ponytails, and Like, do you like them or do you not like them? Let me know. And also, this is super soft. It's like still after 3 wears. Super, super soft. Super pretty. I would say it's more of like a Brazilian wave type of wave. I don't know if we're doing the types of waves anymore. Malaysian, I don't know. But it's Peruvian, I don't know. It's really pretty, and it's going to be my ride or die for the next few months during the winter when it's getting cold and I'm getting lazy. So let me know below if you guys like this review. Gonna try to come a little bit more camera ready next time, and I will talk to you later. Alright, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, okay? I see you lurkers in the back. Make sure to subscribe. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye!